Hey everyone, it's December 24th. We got the morning market rundown here. Let's dive into this price action and dive into it. So we got yesterday's map out. Here we have the rally into this declining 5-day moving average. We're looking for a potential situation where we rally up to this 5-day moving average, pull back to reclaim that VWAP, start to break back above it, maybe pull back into it, start to reclaim it. We'll start to see the slope of this 5-day moving average rally and the direction increase as we drop out this data. Keep in mind it's a half a day off tomorrow, and then Thursday, Friday, full days. So maybe for today, if it doesn't continue to rally up in this situation, potentially, maybe we get some more profit taking back down to this 590 area and just kind of consolidate there and then start to rally back up to that 593 area and create an inside day. And then that could bring us to the situation to then be able to maybe consolidate and then start to rally up. And then that 5-day moving average would be looking something like this. Our 5-day there. Right here. So this could be a potential scenario, and maybe we get something like this. Or we get, so we start to pull back, rally up, consolidate this VWAP from this low. Either one pretty much will be kind of look at something like this. Could be our potential VWAP line in the sand. So let's just move this. Yeah, we'll do this VWAP here. So that's a potential situation for the SPY. Maybe a pullback down to this 590, 592, or 594. And maybe we consolidate back into either 598, 599, or maybe we just consolidate and rally back up for today on this low volume day. And just basically pull back to 589, 590, rally up to 595, and potentially create that inside day. QQQ. In our map scenario, we're looking for something like this here. We drew out some consolidation, the reclaim of this VWAP here in this previous sell-off. This resistance, we broke resistance, reclaiming this resistance area, and we feel that push into that month-to-date VWAP, and that 5-day moving average is just declining. So it's just a bounce, an intermediate downtrend. So if again for the SPY, maybe we could get that continuation today into that 530, where we had the 530 above acting as support here. Potentially act as some resistance, pull back into this 524. All right, then get back above this 5-day moving average, and then get going back into that 536. And we'd be looking for something like this just to play off the 5-day. And with this stop, it'd be up in here or over here. So if this, we'll be looking and monitoring for the same thing as the SPY, that maybe we get just a little shakeout down into here, 517, consolidate to 520, maybe rally back up to 524, consolidate to 519, create that inside day. And then on Thursday, Friday, maybe get rallying up back above and then get going. And that's direction of the 5-day moving average, but then kind of give it a little bit more time. And we'd set up a potential scenario like that. We get like a stop there or something, 518 or 522, 526. So that's the potential scenarios I'm looking for the SPY. Potential pullback to this 521, 520 area. The 2-day and 3-day VWAP at 520, 78, 519, 69. Rally back above this month-to-date VWAP. Month-to-date VWAP reclaims this support with that flat to rising 5-day moving average. Then there's a lot of factors on this intermediate trend lining up that we get evidence on the chart that we have buyers back in control and can feel this rally back up potentially to that 535 and maybe get a potential push into a new all-time high. Hopefully this morning market rundown was helpful. Happy holidays.